Hello friends, no bakwas tech ki baat. This is PK and today we are going to talk about this tabletop wet grinder with 2 liters of capacity, 3 years of warranty and 150 watt of power consumption. The manufacturer of this product is Laxmi kitchenware and the name of this product is Nitro wet grinder. We can see the box of this product wrapped all around with a thin plastic. Further in this video we are going to unpack the product and we will see how it works. We will talk about its features and we will see what we get from inside. Wet grinders are highly utilized in kitchens of hotels, restaurants as well as houses. These are mainly used to make pastes from grains and lentils. In other words, we can say that these wet grinders are the grinding machines that are also used to grind scraped coconut, soaked grains, lentils in a fine smooth paste. They are designed for grinding in large quantities. Now our box is open and we can see the contents of this box coming out one by one. So this box contains one piece tabletop wet grinder with 2 liters of capacity with 2 grinding stones, 1 atta kneader tool, 1 coconut scraper and 1 plastic spatula or spoon by which we can separate chutney from the jar. There is also a drum cover plastic lid to cover the drum and 1 instruction leaflet on which it is written how to operate this machine. This is top lock made up of plastic loaded with a spring having a flower design on it which allows us to tighten or loosen this nut effortlessly. The base of the drum is also made up of stone. This main drum boundary is made up of stainless steel which does not react with food even if kept for a longer time. Center plastic white cone is made up of high BPA food grade plastic as written on its instruction. Drum is detachable and comes with stone base which makes it faster to grind the paste, thereby retaining the taste and micronutrients. Aesthetically designed, body portable in a convenient size. It is easy to use and clean. Here we can see that it is easy to fix and easily removable. Designed for easy cleaning and maintenance. Heat resistance and has a good finish. This drum is connected to a powerful 150 watt single phase motor and the base is fitted with 6 rubber cushion pads for stability and avoiding vibrations. We can easily see the grinding operation while the machine is running through this transparent drum cover or lid made up of ABS plastic. Let us try putting this atta kneader tool into this drum and it can be fitted like this. Now let's power on this machine. The power on off button is just in between the drum and the motor body. Our machine is running unloaded and it is bit noisy. Motor speed as given on the paper is 420 rpm. Now let us check the noise of motor without drum. So here it is. It is also bit noisy. Now let us review this product. This grinder is very compact and lightweight and it requires very small space in your kitchen. The motor is bit noisy but it is smooth. As this is compact and very small gap is present between drum and the motor compartment, the heat of motor can be transferred to the steel body and the batter you are preparing may get heated. Look and price wise it is good, but here I am not sure about the atta kneading operation in this product will be very effective. This product is new to me and I cannot say much about this without using it. So I may review this product in details after using it for some day. For this video, it is all now. We'll meet you in the next video with some other topic. Till then, goodbye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.